Hey my beautiful people, welcome or welcome back to my channel. I'm really excited about today's video because it is a very good recipe that can help many of you to regrow back your hair really fast, and the ingredients are super amazing. So make sure you are staying tuned and you're watching every part of this video. If you're one of my returning subscribers, you know how I feel about you. Thank you for always coming back to watch me. And if you are stopping by for the first time, you're going to learn a lot from today's video, so make sure to share. Alright, so my first natural ingredient for today's recipe is aloe vera. Aloe vera can be found in any grocery store and it is affordable. It is a very good natural ingredient when it comes to hair growth. Using aloe vera can detangle your hair with ease. It will strengthen your hair strands to prevent hair breakages. It also has fatty acids as well as vitamins. It contains vitamins A, vitamin C, and vitamin E. All these vitamins are great for hair growth and also repairing hair damage. One thing I like about aloe vera is due to its slimy nature, when applied to the hair, it makes working with your hair so easy. Also, it has enzymes that will help promote healthy hair growth. If you are suffering from dandruff or itchy scalp, aloe vera can help resolve all these issues. It is a very good natural ingredient, so if you can lay your hands on one, make sure to use it in this recipe. And hey you all, you know how we do it here, but if you're new here and you do not know how we do it here, we show a lot of love around this channel. So please show your girl some love by giving this video a thumbs up. And if you're new here, do not forget to subscribe and click on the bell so each time I upload DIYs for hair growth like these, you will always be notified. Alright, so this is my next natural ingredient and it is called the fenugreek seeds. Fenugreek seeds, usually I get mine from Amazon. I'm going to leave a link in the description box that has some of my favorite hair products and ingredients, so make sure to use the link to purchase some of these. Some of your local grocery store might also carry fenugreek seeds. It is a very great natural ingredient because it has iron and protein, and these two ingredients are needed for our hair growth. It is going to strengthen your hair strands to prevent hair damage, and also it can treat your scalp from scalp infections. My next natural ingredient is black seeds. Black seeds are also great when it comes to caring for your hair and strengthening your hair strands. When you use black seed, it is going to stimulate blood flow to your scalp, and this will in turn help promote new healthy hair growth. I'm also going to use some rosemary herbs. Today, I'm using the dry rosemary. Rosemary are also great for our hair. When you use rosemary in your hair care routine, it is going to cleanse your scalp from dandruff and any other scalp issues. It is also going to stimulate blood flow to your scalp in order for you to grow new healthy hair. You all know healthy scalp means healthy hair growth. So these natural ingredients are going to treat your scalp, make your scalp area healthy for you to grow new healthy hair. So I put all my ingredients, which are fenugreek seeds, black seeds, rosemary herbs, as well as my chopped aloe vera, into a mason jar. Make sure you clean your aloe vera well before using it in this recipe. I sometimes soak my aloe vera leaf in water for a couple of hours before cutting it and using it in my recipes. Doing that will get rid of that yellowish substance in aloe vera, which may cause itchiness to some people's skin. So all you do is, after cutting your aloe vera into two pieces, leave it in water, let it sit in the water for a couple of hours or even overnight before cutting it into little chunks. So after having everything in a mason jar like so, I'm going to add some warm water to this recipe. Just top it up. I didn't use any specific measurement. I just used about half a tablespoon of each of the ingredients I introduced to you. And I used about 2 to 3 tablespoons of the fenugreek seeds. So not too much. It all depends on the quantity again you're trying to make. After that, I'm going to give it a quick stir and I'm going to cover this mason jar, leave it sitting on the counter for about 3 hours. You can also leave it overnight, okay guys? Leaving overnight will even make it more potent. Alright, so after letting my recipe set for hours, I strained it. And you can see the water is quite slimy because of the aloe vera. And this is exactly what we want, alright? When you leave it overnight, the color will even be deeper. It is going to be more potent than this. So, the next thing I'm going to add is to add some oil to this recipe. So any of these hairsprays recipes that I teach on this channel, they are all water based. You want them to stay in your hair longer, right? Because if you just put water in your hair, it is going to dry out. So when you add any of your favorite oil, it is going to make this spray last in your hair longer. Feel free to use any hair oil. Today, I decided to use sweet almond oil. It is very great for the hair. It is lightweight and it does the job when you put it in your hair. But you can use olive oil, coconut oil, or any oil of your choice. After that, you're going to give it a stir and you're going to put this in a spray bottle. You use this recipe as a leave-in. When you apply this on your scalp and on your hair strands, it is going to cleanse your scalp and make your scalp area healthy. It is also going to improve blood flow to the scalp to increase hair growth. It will also prevent your hair strands from damage or hair loss. After applying this, make sure to go in with a leave-in conditioner and a hair moisturizer. Use this 4 times a week and be consistent with it for faster results. Thank you for being here and I hope to see you in my next one.